Art Festival, QIAF, proved a mega international event. As many as 147 artists coming from 58 countries attended the festival that was held at Fire Station. The festival, organized by MAPS International WLL Doha, had 6 major events in 6 days. All the 147 artists from 58 countries are here displayed, more than 150 artworks. The Doha Fire Station grounds were bustling with activity as the artists started showcasing their unique styles and techniques in their chosen mediums during live painting demonstrations. The live painting symposium started in the plaza area of festival venue Doha Fire Station with enthusiasm. Each participant, having his or her name identity badge, created some unseen dream on the canvas. The artists had many ideas to put on the canvas after they visited different sites in Qatar. They painted some beautiful images of Qatar and earned appreciation from the visitors.